centuries on centuries, humans have wondered about the working of the human brain, an emotional and intelligent organ made of fat, blood, soft tissues, and trillions of neural connections.
This organ lives in our head, covered by a hard skull to protect it. It can feel, reason, think, create and store memories, reuse memories, and deciding, all by firing and wiring neurons. An incredible, complex and beautiful system that uses power and chemicals like, for example, water, cholesterol, blood and fat to help it live.
That same organ gave itself a name and investigated how itself, the brain, operates. It researched, invented tools and equipment to better understand the function of itself. And step by step, it succeeded. It revealed by using incredible, complex computer and software systems like the cooperation between the EEG and fMRI scanner to look into the brain real time. It stored that data in computers and learned to understand the firing and wiring processes of the neurons. It learned the functioning of the hormones and the other chemicals living in our head. It created learning systems, created languages to better understand other brains. It created specialisms per individual brain to create teams, to share knowledge, and to learn from each other.
Over time, these combined brains created new visions and knowledge and learning systems like, for example, neuroscience, to give the new generation another starting point and reference to keep investigating and to learn.
Around 25 years ago, the founder of Sparkwise became interested in the pre-programming of the human brain. He wondered if early education during upbringing would limit our way of living and success. Years later, he had dinner with a good business friend, and after discussing these different aspects, they decided together to start an in-depth investigation to better understand the working of the human brain. As successful and experienced entrepreneurs, they opportunistically thought they would master that knowledge within 8 months. History learns now it took them 5 years. They were reading the latest neuroscientific research material day and night, learning and watching endless videos while talking with and learning from over 60 neuroscientists worldwide. The result is their Amazon best-selling book, Why of Everything, which explains a system being able to help humans to better understand the biological functions of the human brain. They called their system the Neural Cause and Effects, NCE in short. Why?
Because all that humans feel, think and execute starts with the firing and the wiring of the neurons in our head. An important explanation to learn and to understand why people fail or succeed.
To their surprise, their book went viral and became a #1 best-selling book on Amazon within 10 days after release.
Thousands of books went out there in no time on an international level, teaching people the working of the human brains.
In the meantime, they developed an annual video course to explain their writing of Why of Everything, step by step. They unveil their book chapter by chapter, sector by sector, and word by word to overcome personal interpretation of readers when reading the book Why of Everything.
Welcome to the Sparkwise Institute, your personal portal to the knowledge you always wanted and needed to know, but you could never find.